Hey guys, we're currently in the helicopter flying right now. It's just like a little pleasure flight. Oh, we're slowing. We're hovering now. But right now we're currently flying. I know you can hear like a stop-start kind of thing. We're just going up and down right now. But currently I am sitting in the helicopter. It is kind of cramped in this helicopter. It's not really that roomy. Well, I wouldn't say it's cramped. But it is a nice little helicopter.
Barbecue place I want to try that's on 16 because we went that way home.
But
It's on the same side of the road.
taking a flight
Called Willie Jean's Barbecue.
doesn't sound that good.
Don't know until you try it.
It's the Marabella area, correct?
Yes. There is a community first there. There's a second. Though I don't know how to get into that Zaxby's and community first because it's traffic coming from World Golf Village where they turn right to get onto. They've got. I don't know how you could possibly go from the lane all the way over there. Let's cross all these.
Probably have to go behind something else.
You'd have to turn at that light.
Little pleasure flight, guys. So that's gonna end the video of me in the helicopter. Boop, boop, is signing off.